Number of kanji 24. So here meaning of that kanji is water. So water. So here the stroke of that kanji. This is the first middle vertical one, and this is the second, and the third. So again middle vertical one is the first. So here second, and there is third. So first, second, and third. So the sound like that, miju and sui, miju and sui. So again, so stroke of that kanji, so like that, miju and sui. So word sound and meaning, word sound and meaning. So here first, o miju. So first one, o miju, o miju. So here is o miju, that means flood. O and big, miju means water. So o miju, total in combinedly flood. O miju, flood. Miju gi. So here is for miju, to miju gi. So here is first, second, and horizontal, middle, smaller one, third, big one, then inclined, and that itini sun. So this is the gi. So miju gi, swim sweet, swim sweet, miju gi, or bathing sweet, swim sweet or bathing sweet, miju gi, miju gi, suyobi. So here sui yo, sui yo, suyobi, suyobi. Wednesday, Wednesday, suyobi, Wednesday. So three words: omiju, mijugi, suyobi.